This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Todd Durnall. Come see this meticulously cared for house sitting on 10 acres just minutes from shopping and restaurants downtown. When you drive up, you will see a well-maintained rolling lawn with mature trees. Step onto the covered porch and have a seat while you look at the fantastic view of the yard. Once inside, you are welcomed into the living room that is open to the kitchen. Windows all around allow sunlight to brighten your stay, or use the LED lighting found throughout the house. Just down the hall is the master bedroom with large walk-in closet and large windows. Walk through the pocket door into the adjoining bath. The large bathroom is fashioned with a ceramic tiled shower. Conveniently located in the room are the washer and dryer. Across is the second bedroom. There is a corner office at the end of the hall with its own exterior door and large windows. Enjoy privacy with a view of the outdoors. Downstairs you find the walkout basement. A game/reading room is ready for you with glass double doors giving you a lovely view to the outside. A third bedroom is next to this room. Also in the basement you will find a large family with a full bathroom. Adjacent to the family room is a large recreation room. There is even a large storage room in the walkout basement. If you desire, a wood-burning furnace has been installed with direct access in the basement to a dedicated firewood storage area that is supplied through large doors outside of the house. Outside is a 31x 24 pole barn with water and electric. A second storage building is also on the property with water and electric. There is a 30 amp transfer switch and panel for generator hookup, Gigabit Ethernet and RG6 Coax cabling ports throughout house with Smithville Gigabit fiber internet, and 400 amp service with 200 amp connected to the house and 200 amp to the pole barns. Approximately 8 acres are a naturally wooded area perfect for connecting with nature. For more information, review the